Frustrated with complicated payment setups for your Wix website? Let's ditch the tech headaches and seamlessly add Square payments in just a few easy steps. First, head over to your Wix website editor and click on the Settings tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. Next, scroll down until you find Accept Payments and give that a click. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of available payment providers. Scroll down until you spot Square. OK. Now click Connect. You'll be prompted to connect your Square account. Click the Connect Square button. A new window will pop up. So make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Now, you'll be redirected to the Square login page. Log in using your Square credentials, the same email and password you use for your Square account. After logging in, Square will ask you to grant Wix permission to access your Square account. Make sure you select the correct Square location if you have multiple ones, and then click Allow. Very important step. Square is now connected. Take some time to customize your payment settings, such as credit card types you want to accept. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Square payments into your Wix website, allowing secure and seamless transactions for your customers. Now you can celebrate.